Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Do your heels need a little extra support?
These silicone heel protectors are from YOGAMEDIC, and they are super awesome for doing exactly that, protecting your heels, keeping them nice and comfy. I appreciate that they come individually wrapped in these little baggies, which makes it really easy to take them with you on the go whenever you need a little extra support. The fact that they're silicone too makes them very comfy to wear. I find that they are not too tight against my skin. I definitely feel like I have some breathing room. They have these holes in them as well that are designed to allow your skin to breathe, which I really appreciate. And the heels have that extra cushioning. They're so easy to put on as well. You can see I'm able to get them on very, very quickly. They're very comfortable and again, nice and stretchy. I can wear these with pretty much any shoe that I need extra support in, or I can even wear them barefoot around my house as well, and my heels have so much cushioning. Easy to put socks over them if I am not going barefoot, and easy to wear them with shoes too. I wore them all day with these sneakers, and I have to say that they made my heels feel so supported when they usually don't. Usually by the end of the day, my heels are not too happy with me. So I love having these as an option where I know that I can put these on and just have that instant support and that feeling of extra padding right where I need it when my heels are feeling a little sad. So I really, really appreciate these and their design.
Check out these heel protectors if you are looking for some nice support for your heels, whether it's around the home or when you are wearing shoes. I think that these are a fantastic, super comfy option, but that's just my point of view.